When Flavor wants fresh seafood, he comes to the sea.
And when I want to learn how to cook seafood, when I'm in Fort Walton Beach, I look up this guy who's not only a great fisherman, he's a great cook. What do you got cooking today?
Shrimp bisque.
Oh, that's Tom's famous shrimp bisque, known all over Fort Walton Beach. One of the best in the area. Are you ready to cook? Let's go.
Absolutely. And first what I'm going to do is cut up some potatoes, slice them, and then I'm going to blanch them so that they don't overcook in the bisque when we get the bisque ready to go together. Three baked potatoes, good sized baked potatoes.
And you're going to slice them.
And I'm going to slice them like this.
Hold on, let me help you with those. There we go. That was easy. Little tricks in the kitchen I'm going to show you.
I need you around here a lot.
I need to be here around here.
Yeah.
Let's set those aside. Let's get to the green onions.
What we need is a cup full of green onions also.
1 cup.
1 cup. Try to cut them fine and use the white and the green both.
So pretty much a bunch of the green onions gets you about a cup full.
You did pretty good with the potatoes. Can you help me with the onions?
I can do that much faster. Here, let me help you with those. There we go. That's much easier that way.
I like your work.
Let's set those aside and let's get on to the shrimp.
What I've got is some white shrimp. It's good for this time of year. You get a lot of them.
You got about 2 pounds of those?
I got about 2 pounds of them. And there's the large ones. And you can put these in whole.
Right. I heard that you changed that up a little bit.
I do. I don't like to put them in whole because once people find out how good this is, they start dipping the shrimp all by themselves.
That would be
That would
me.
be you. Okay. So what I like to do.
I would end up with a big bowl of shrimp, a little bit to get my broth.
So what I like to do is to chop them up.
So that keeps me from taking all the shrimp.
Oh, well,
I see what you're doing there.
I didn't do it just for your purposes.
But it certainly helps.
But I'm the host and I go last, so.
This is for you.
I like to have some fruit in there too.
This one's for you.
Yeah. Next time I have to do it for a big party,
Yeah.
I need some.
You're
of
gonna
this,
bring me back
I need
down?
some of this flavor foot magic.
You're gonna bring me back
Yes,
down?
I can bring
Yes!
you
Woo! We're coming back to Florida. All right, so
Okay.
what's the next step here we're gonna be doing?
All right, we got the potatoes blanching,
Potatoes are in the hot water blanching.
and we're gonna get these ready.
You're gonna put the rest of the shrimp in the bowl.
Yep. And then I'm gonna tell you a little bit about what's got to go into
Oh, okay, let's see
what they call
rest-
the roux. But
What's
it's
going
a
into
big
roux?
part of roux.
I love making a good roux.
To make the roux, I gotta have 4 cups of milk,
4 cups of milk. This case I'm using whole milk.
4 cups of half and half,
4 cups of half and half.
and 2 bags of Pioneer gravy mix.
Gravy mix. We use the white country gravy mix. The sausage gravy mix is great in this too.
I use 2 cans of cream corn
That's this.
and 1 stick of butter.
1 stick of, I got the good stuff for this because this is gonna be good. Kerrygold butter
Now, when you put all this stuff together in the roux, and then you season it.
with
Tony Sachet's
sachet. I say Cody cheddar.
original Creole seasoning.
That stuff is good.
It is, you can put it on almost anything. Put it in the roux.
Well, let's do it. Let's
All right.
get that roux going.
All right. Okay, I've put 4 cups of milk in here,
Yeah.
you can see, and I'm going to add 4 cups of half and half. My gravy mix.
That's 1.
This is the second one.
Give that a little
We got to bring this
whisk.
to a boil and get it whisked up here pretty good so it doesn't stick to
You
the
don't want
bottom.
that
of the-
sticking to the bottom.
No, we don't. You can put a can of that corn in there for me, please.
1 can of that cream style corn. Another one going in. Drop in the potatoes that we cut into pieces. In goes the green onions.
Put the shrimp in there.
Best for last. In goes the shrimp. That looks so good. Then we got Tom's secret BAM ingredient. A tablespoon of the Tony Sachet.
Sachet.
Sachet. I got it now, Tony Sachet. Hooray for Tony Sachet.
Yeah, let's give it about
How many
8
minutes?
to 10 minutes.
I can
Just
wait.
to simmer.
I can wait. We'll
All
simmer
right,
it
let's
for 8
put
to
a
10
lid on it.
minutes. I think I know what time it is.
All right, let's get
Let's
some,
spoon some into our bowl.
let's get something going on here.
Wow, that looks good. You know what Flavor likes to do at this point? give it a little garnish.
I know. I got to tell you, when you're out and about with fishermen, you can't garnish anything because you don't have it with you.
You don't get some
You
little
just have
shrimp
to
like
have
that?
the cans and the baked potatoes and that
Look
stuff.
at that.
And you cut them up and you put them in there. Now look what he's doing to this thing, ladies.
Look
This is things you can do afterwards
Look at that.
to make your invited guests really love.
A little bit of green onion.
I'm gonna have to remember this next time I have to serve it to somebody.
And some of Flavor Flav.
Uh-oh.
Hot honey,
Uh-oh.
candy bacon, that's right.
Candy bacon.
Sprinkle a little bit of that.
No.
Now, we're gonna give this a try.
You are?
Yes.
All right.
Oh, we got a spoon. We each got a spoon, but we got one big bowl. We're gonna give it a try. Let's go.
Go. Bacon, potato, shrimp.
This is Tom's Shrimp Bisque. Here we go. That is so good. And because you made fun of my garnish, I'm taking this bowl. And you're on your own.
Here's the good food, good mood, good family, and good friends.